Welcome to our Advanced Windows IT Support course. Today, we're diving into diagnosing performance bottlenecks. Effective IT support relies on systematic analysis. Let's start by understanding how to identify system performance bottlenecks. We will focus on three key areas: CPU utilization, memory pressure, and storage latency issues. Let's begin our countdown to mastery. "37. "34. "31. "28. "25. "22. "19. "16. "13. "11. "10. "6. "3. Let's begin by examining high CPU utilization scenarios and how to pinpoint the source of the load. We utilize Task Manager and Resource Monitor to quickly view which processes are consuming the most cycles. We dive deeper by analyzing process threads and service chains to understand complex dependency issues. We identify hidden background tasks and troubleshoot driver conflicts that may cause unexpected CPU spikes. Next, we transition to memory management, where we monitor allocation and detect potential leaks. Understanding RAM allocation and the role of page files is critical for maintaining overall system stability. We demonstrate how to detect memory leaks in applications that can gradually degrade system performance over time. Performance Monitor provides advanced tracking to observe commit limits and ensure your system stays within healthy bounds. Now let's turn our attention to identifying disk I/O latency and storage performance issues. We look at disk queue depths and I/O latency to see if your storage is becoming a system bottleneck. We introduce specific tools designed to analyze disk-intensive processes that are slowing down your workstation. Finally, we discuss diagnosing storage health and checking for fragmentation that impacts read and write speeds. To wrap up, we cover advanced techniques for deep dive root cause analysis. The Windows Performance Toolkit, or WPT, allows us to conduct exhaustive system inspections. We learn how to capture and analyze ETL trace files to uncover the hidden causes of complex performance regressions. You've now completed our course on advanced performance and storage diagnostics for Windows. Implement these best practices to maintain a highly optimized and reliable environment. Remember, systematic analysis is the key to solving any performance mystery. Thanks for joining us.